Hi, welcome to this my project. I have created a project using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The project which is I have created is a stopwatch and you can see the simple templates of my project. So this is the template and this is the heading of my project. This is second and millisecond of the stopwatch and some buttons here. The button first button is for starting the stopwatch. Second one is for pause the stopwatch and third one is for reset the stopwatch and the last one which is used to flag the stopwatch. So I am starting my project and viewing you all the functionality of my project. So let's start. Let's start the stopwatch. So the button is working and my stopwatch going to start. So now I am stopping or pause the stopwatch. Yes, it works. And if I want to reset the stopwatch, then simply click the reset button. And yes, it works. And it goes to reset to 0 and 0. So it's work. And the amazing button which is flag. Now let's start a stopwatch and simply click the flag button. Yes, I have created a flag. And again, I am creating a second flag. Again, yes, it's working. And this one is for sequence number. This one is for at what millisecond and second I have clicked the flag and this one is for the difference at what millisecond I have or second I have uh, clicked the flag here. uh, the difference between this second and millisecond and the difference between this is going to set here this one. So this all about my stopwatch. And if I talk about the coding part of this stopwatch, then simply there is index.html, a script.javascript, and a style.css. So let's start with index.html. Here, this one is for title of my project, a stopwatch, and simply I have connected to a script and a CSS. Then this one is for container tag. This paragraph tag shows the timer and the buttons which is used to created using button tag and handles everything. The buttons which is uh, a start button, a stop button, reset button, and the flag button. So it's okay. Then if I talk about the a script tag here, a script. Here I have imported, or we can say that I have created a variable and getting value from body using get element by id and storing here. And simply we have created a button with event listener and handling the all the buttons. Here this one is for a start button, this one is for a stop button, this one is for a reset button, and this one is for flag. And I am finding flag value here and the amazing function here, a start timer. And the timer function is used here at event listener, add event listener. So it's completed. And if I talk about a style.css, then I have created a simple style sheet with body tag, container, oh sorry, container and heading E, that is for paragraph, and the flag for button, for image button, and for hover button hover. This is all about CSS. I have set margin, padding, background image, and position of the image, direction of flags, For container, I have set a margin, text align, and for heading tag, I have set the size of a stopwatch with 4 em and with some a special color, and the font family is its font uh, fonts which is used, and this one is for paragraph, and the flag is used for which is this one. Okay, it's fine. And the style which is for button is this one. This is used to give the radius of button, and this is image button here, and this, and the radius of this button, image button, is also 50%. So it's circle, and the hover button, that is I'm clicking to button, is showing hover. This one is. That's all about my CSS. Thank you.